Title: How to Learn English This Year. Introduction: English is a global language, connecting people across the world. It can help you get a better job, travel easily, and communicate with others everywhere. But how do you learn English effectively? In this video, I'll share simple and practical tips to help you learn English on your own. If you follow these steps, you can improve quickly and speak fluently in just a few months. Let's make this year the one where you master English. Let's begin. 1. Focus on everyday vocabulary. Start with basic words used daily, like those related to food, work, and emotions. Activity: learn 10 new words each day. Write their meanings and use them in sentences. Tip: organize words into categories to remember them better. 2. Practice speaking with confidence. Talk to yourself in front of a mirror to improve your confidence. Activity: choose a topic and speak about it for 1 to 2 minutes daily. For example, talk about your plans or describe your day. Tip: notice your facial expressions and body language while speaking. 3. Speak to yourself alone. Practice by narrating your actions or thoughts out loud. Activity: say things like, "I'm making coffee," or "I should finish my work." Tip: try to think in English during your daily tasks. 4. Find a practice partner. Speaking with someone is the best way to improve conversations. Activity: join online groups or apps to find partners for regular practice. Tip: stick to speaking only in English during your sessions. 5. Listen to English regularly. Listening helps with pronunciation and understanding. Activity: watch videos, listen to podcasts, or enjoy audiobooks in English. Tip: repeat what you hear to improve your accent and rhythm. 6. Read and watch in English. Engage with content that improves vocabulary and comprehension. Activity: start with simple books or subtitles in movies and gradually move to advanced materials. Tip: summarize what you read or watch to enhance your retention. 7. Use the shadowing method. Repeat what you hear from an English speaker immediately. Activity: listen to short clips and imitate the speaker's pronunciation and tone. Tip: practice with speeches, TED Talks, or movie dialogues. 8. Keep a daily journal. Writing improves grammar and builds sentence structure. Activity: write about your day or your plans in English every evening. Tip: check for mistakes and rewrite your sentences for better clarity. 9. Learn common phrases. Phrases are more useful than individual words for conversations. Activity: memorize practical phrases like, "Can I help you?" or "What's your opinion?" Tip: practice using these phrases naturally in conversations. 10. Use flashcards. Flashcards are a fun way to review words and phrases. Activity: write words on one side of the card and their meanings on the other. Tip: use flashcards daily for quick revision. 11. Immerse yourself in English. Surround yourself with English in your daily life. Activity: change your phone's language to English and talk to English-speaking friends. Tip: practice thinking in English to make it a habit. 12. Learn grammar by practicing. Don't focus too much on grammar rules. Learn naturally by reading and listening. Activity: observe how sentences are structured and try to use similar patterns. Tip: use apps for interactive grammar exercises. 13. Stay consistent. Learning requires regular effort. Mistakes are okay, keep trying. Activity: practice for at least 15 to 30 minutes daily. Track your progress. Tip: reward yourself for small achievements to stay motivated. 14. Join online groups. Structured lessons and group discussions can help you learn faster. Activity: enroll in online classes or join language exchange groups. Tip: choose platforms that allow you to practice speaking live. David's story: David, a young man from a small town, always dreamed of working abroad. But his poor English skills limited his opportunities. Determined to improve, he started following simple steps to learn English. He began by learning basic vocabulary, writing down 10 new words every day. To gain confidence, he practiced speaking in front of a mirror, imagining himself in real conversations. David also talked to himself in English while cooking or walking. To take his skills further, David joined online groups where he practiced conversations with people worldwide. He listened to podcasts during his workouts, imitated the speakers, and watched English movies with subtitles to improve his comprehension. David kept a journal, writing his thoughts and reviewing them for mistakes. Over time, he began to think in English naturally. Within months, he was confident, fluent, and ready to explore global opportunities. His hard work inspired others in his community to learn English too. Conclusion: learning English this year can open doors to new possibilities. With consistent effort and the right tips, you can become fluent and confident in speaking English. Start today and make this year the one where you master English. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips, subscribe to our channel. Let's learn together. See you in the next video.